Now this today, the Texas Supreme Court heard arguments in a lawsuit challenging the state's abortion law. The law bans abortions once a heartbeat is detected, except when the mother's life is in danger. But the plaintiffs say they were denied the procedure despite life-threatening complications. Adam Bennett attended today's hearing in Austin. Adam, we understand what happens next is up to the 9 judges.
That's right, Mia. Though, to be clear, this decision will not overturn the entire law. Instead, the plaintiffs say they are seeking clarity on what medical emergencies qualify for that exemption. And that includes 2 Houston doctors afraid of performing the procedure illegally, with the punishment ranging up to 99 years in prison. On the state capitol grounds Tuesday morning, with the nation's eyes watching, lawyers from a New York firm and the Texas women they represent walked into this Austin courtroom, possibly the last step in a nearly 9-month-long legal battle.
We are not talking about hypothetical harms. These are real patients, many of whom are sitting in the courtroom today.
Molly Duane with the Center for Reproductive Rights testified the law is too vague, leaving doctors scared and women at risk. Beth Klussman with the Texas Attorney General's office argued the law does allow abortions during life-threatening pregnancies.
If, as she said, a woman is bleeding or has amniotic fluid running down her legs, then the problem is not with the law. That is with the doctors.
The justices questioned both sides.
So I'm struggling to understand your standing argument.
This very well could open the door far more widely than you're acknowledging.
So why isn't she suing her doctors? That sounds like medical negligence to me.
After the hearing, several plaintiffs publicly defended their doctors. Lauren Miller says her out-of-state abortion saved her life and that of one of her twins after learning the other was not viable.
She delivered him and gave him to me, and my words were, "You made it." That was my first words to my son. It wasn't, "Hi, little one." It was, "You made it." I mean, and I thank you for that, too.
Meanwhile, members of Texas Alliance for Life believe the law's language is clear.
If a woman's life should become threatened by such a pregnancy, the law allows a doctor to intervene.
O'Donnell says doctors should look to the Texas Medical Board for clarification, while the justices weigh their interpretation. And these rulings typically take a few months. Lawyers say the Supreme Court could dismiss the lawsuit entirely, or it could send this case back to a lower court where there would then be a trial to determine a final resolution. Mia?
We'll continue to follow the proceedings. Adam Bennett in Austin tonight. Thank you.